Yes, we do. Right. Test.
This failed.
Weather radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
This failed. Oh, here's your problem.
The current time is 11:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
You always have a second try at 6 o'clock, so yeah. Sorry, my throat sounds a little, because I just recovered from a cold, so. Alright, see you at 6.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG59 listening area for the following marine locations.
I hate when things are set to siren mode.
Issued at 2:55 p.m.
Alright,
Tonight, northeast winds 5